So what we're gonna do in this particular video is we're gonna walk down that way, and it's kind of interesting. I don't think I filmed it, but we're gonna basically kind of follow that side towards this bridge. We're not gonna go as far as the bridge. We're gonna follow where the road goes. But just to kind of give you some context of stuff, this is MyDaughter Hotel right there. That's Dr. Sun Yat-sen. That goes all the way down. If you take it all the way down, you go down to the Cotai Strip casinos and such. That will go down to Nova Mall, which is right there. This will take us to where we're gonna go, which is following that mountain. And then this one go up to the universities. So stay tuned, and we're gonna do it down that direction right there. Hey, checking out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. So that's gonna be our route. Let's do it. I'm hanging out with my daughter today. We're doing a couple more videos. This one goes up to the university. Let's watch the traffic very carefully because it's gonna come down fast. There it is, coming down a little bit fast. And we're coming down Avenida Padre Tomás Pereira, but that's not our target street. Our target street is gonna be on the other side here. So we're gonna go across, and we're gonna be walking down this kind of major street right here. Is that a dance move?
No. I'm just so excited about the view.
About which one? The video?
About the view.
The view? Oh, because we got a good view, right?
Yeah.
Wow.
This photo.
Wow. Wow. Let's do it. Very, very cool.
I mean, you can go on.
She's gonna take a video of the MyDaughter. Just gonna go shot. So there's MyDaughter right there, and then you got a guy right in the middle of the park. There's no way to get into that park.
This might look like the funniest photo I ever took.
Yeah. And that's the university up that way. I don't know who that guy is right there in the park, but we're gonna follow this way right here, right?
Yes.
So we're gonna follow this one, which says Estrada, Almirante, Marques, Esparteiro. So we're basically gonna follow, there's an art regency, so my daughter remember, but I stayed 10 days in a quarantine there when I came back into Macau. So, but she had a quarantine in 2 other hotels yourself, didn't you? Yours were longer, hers was 28 days.
Like almost a month.
Almost a month. So they put her in quarantine for 28 days, and I was in quarantine for 10 days. And none of us had COVID.
Yep.
None of us got, so at that particular time, Macau would, if any foreigner, especially, well, foreigners couldn't come in, but I have the residency, so so if you left the city of Macau, then you had to do a lengthy quarantine, the longest in the world, actually. So I think people were saying that Hong Kong was long, it was 7 days, but it was nothing compared to Macau. So we kind of got some, the street, whoa, sheesh. Let me just catch that lady real quick. Over that side, because that bus, that bus kind of came, actually this sidewalk, I never walk it, do you?
Never? I always.
Oh, this one you do?
Oh,
Oh.
there's everything. There's school days. There's like school days.
Makes sense. But I don't like this one because the cars come too close to the people. So okay, so we got, this is called Type Pequeño, I believe. So that's like trails up on that one. And we're just gonna walk along like this. And you also have a nice waterfront up here, so the waterfront is fun for anybody. There's Macau Tower right there. So I'm gonna flip it around. All right.
Got it. It looks like there's a storm happening.
It does look kind of like that.
Yeah. But then it's just the sky.
Well, this is kind of interesting spot because they have, this is kind of prime territory right here because you have the views of the city, and then it goes up to this bridge right here. So I think what we're gonna do is probably walk all the way to the bridge. But just for your information, that's Type Pequeño. There's a bunch of trails that go in a circle. You got really beautiful views from up there. Might even walk up there later. That's our target street. Gas station. That's the one behind us. So yeah, we're kind of just hanging out and checking stuff out. Walking down our kind of busy street. Oh yeah, it is right about sunset time. And what our plan is to do is just to get to that bridge, and then and I've never actually filmed on this side before, so I haven't really noticed. I've driven by this, but I've never really seen like up close what's going on to the right here. But you know what, one thing they do up over here to the right, fireworks. Yeah. So I think that I don't know how people get in, but there's some entrance in here, and everybody will come in here and they'll do fireworks. And they'll have it go over the water. And it's kind of a safe place because the fireworks can't land in another location because they're kind of removed. And strangely, believe it or not, this particular area, let me flip, that's kind of a cool car right there. I'm gonna flip it after that car goes by. Wow. Porsche? Nice car. So let me go like that. So yeah, so basically they have the fireworks over here, and then to the left is a mountain Type Pequeño. And the interesting thing about this particular space is this is basically the entrance bridge into Taipa. So many people, they go over this bridge. Well, taxis and buses, only taxis and buses are allowed. So you would think that there would be really cool stuff right here that all the people can see when they go over the bridge. But they just kind of keep it like public property that's almost completely empty. But I think someday this will be like totally different.
On Chinese New Year?
Yeah, I mean totally different, meaning like someday they'll probably put a bunch of buildings or a park, or they develop the waterfront.
But on Chinese New Year, they would have the fireworks here.
Yeah, this is the place for fireworks for Chinese New Year. And actually all the holidays, I think. Like anytime they have fireworks, they'll set it up. Look at that view.
Look at the sky. So weird.
So I'll walk ahead a little bit. Pretty cool. Back with a good photo. Check out that rock cliff right there. I think later we might go up there and walk back. So that's Estrada, Almirante, Marques, Esparteiro. That's the street sign for it. And I've actually never filmed walking on this sidewalk before right here. Yeah, cause that. Oh, maybe they're doing some. Maybe they're going to put some sanitation in here. So maybe this is in the future. It's going to be. Looks like they're clearing out something, and they might put a road here or something, or they might expand this road. Yeah, actually, that's the other thing too. Is you know, I feel like I'm recording stuff in time. So in some ways, like this could be something totally different in the future. Like this could be. Yeah, they're actually, that's all current digging right now. Like the rain will wash that out. So that means that they're kind of actively doing something right here. So maybe they're going to expand this road. Oh, look at that. It's prohibited to walk any further than this. Oh, but they have certain dates. So it's October 9. So there's about a 6-month window where there's no more walking down this path. I don't know what to do. Should we walk down that way?
No.
My daughter says no.
It says no.
So we're gonna walk down this way. So let me let me just give a little bit of a 360. So if we could walk it, this would go right here, and then it says again, I think it's because they don't want people to walk over that bridge. And actually I wanted to walk to that bridge. I just wanted to walk to it. I don't want to walk across it.
You could go from that way or something.
Yeah. I think we might even be able to walk down there, but then I think we cannot go on the bridge, I think. Should we walk it?
You can walk it.
I can walk it? You gonna stay?
Yeah.
I think before I go any further, let me think about that for a second. So this is our target street right here. Estrada, Almirante, Marques, Esparteiro, and we basically just went all the way down that way. I was going to take you to the bridge. I think that's not a good idea anymore. So I think instead what we're going to do is we're just going to come to an ending of our video. So let's go down this way and we'll just point the camera down. A lot of people just kind of hanging out here. Not a lot, but there's a couple. I've never really been right here in this spot. Have you? It's kind of strange. These people are kind of just like, how did these people end up over here? Maybe there's something going on in this corner that's like, yeah, I don't know.
Probably they're just walking.
Maybe. I guess so. I guess they must walk. Maybe they walked over the bridge, or they're planning to. Okay. So this one just says Rotunda, Piedana de Sosa. That was a bridge that we didn't do. And it does end right there anyways. And then I guess we'll just end our video right here. Pretty cool?
Yep.
What's the proper way to end it? Hey, check out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.
Toma cuidado la boquinha.